Don't change the channel. Remember me?
Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Here I am, I'm visiting my parents' house in Amish country. And today we're gonna learn to make something that's Amish. What are we making?
We're gonna make Yumzetti.
Oh, Yumzetti, that sounds yummy.
It's delicious and it's very easy. The first thing we do is cook a bag of egg noodles.
So we're gonna be using these Amish brand egg noodles. You can use general ones from the store too. But holy cow, that pan's old. I remember that.
Oh, you know what? I've had this pan for 54 years.
Oh.
My Aunt Evelyn gave me this as a shower gift at our wedding. And it's Revereware. I strongly recommend Revereware. I do.
Wonderful.
Hey, where's the beef?
Here it is, 1 pound.
Thank you. That's the first thing we start with. Get the meat all ground up. And then we're going to add maybe a half an onion and get that ground. And now we're going to season it. We need about 1/4 of a teaspoon of the paprika. And just add a little bit of salt. Oh, here, sorry. A little salt and pepper. Okay, that looks good. Let that go a minute.
Next comes a can of Campbell's tomato soup. Dump that in there. And then everybody's favorite dairy product, velveeta, gets plopped right in there. Allow it to melt.
Okay, the ground beef mixture is all ready. We're going to go ahead and pour this in. I'm sorry, I'm left-handed. And it's just easier to do it this way and then mix the noodles right in. I actually got this recipe from an Amish friend of mine. I was having a garage sale and she heard about it. And she came over and brought me this casserole and said, I didn't want you to have to cook tonight. They are the sweetest people. We add our cooked noodles. Let me just get a little bit at a time. Mix them in. And then we're going to cover it with Reynolds wrap and put it in a 350 oven for 45 minutes. Well, how is it?
This is really good. Das is good.
Thanks for joining us today in our home.
And see you next time on Jim's Kitchen.
Did you hear about the Amish wedding where they were throwing noodles at the bride and groom?
No, I have not.
They called it Yumzetti.
Oh!